Zanu PF Harare in key resolutions. The 8th of September 2025. Spread the love. By Remember Decatech. Herald. Zanu PF Harare province has once again thrown its weight behind President Emerson Mnangagwa's continued stay in office until 2030, saying his leadership has delivered sterling service to the nation. The endorsement came during a provincial inter-district conference held at the party's Harare provincial offices, where draft positions were crafted for onward transmission to the national leadership through the office of the national chairman. CDE Apa Muchinguri Kashiri, provincial chairman CDE Godwills Masamayambwa, said the province had unanimously adopted resolutions that will shape party direction and national policy going forward. The first resolution on the state of the party is that Harare province reiterates its support for resolution number 1, passed at the 21st National People's Conference in Bulawayo. He said, the resolution is that President Mnangagwa, in recognition of his sterling service to the nation, should continue in office as the President of Zimbabwe until 2030. To that end, Harare Metropolitan Province has resolved that the appropriate party and government structures must attend to the necessary changes in the Constitution to enable this extension of the President's term to 2030. CDE Masamayambwa clarified that the province was not pushing for a direct breach of constitutional term limits, but rather a deferment of the next general election. As far as Harare province is concerned, this will come beyond the term limits permitted by the Constitution. The expectation is that Parliament will play its role to postpone elections to 2030. 1. So that His Excellency the President serves up to 2030. That is the most important resolution that came out of our deliberations, he said. The conference also congratulated President Mnangagwa on successfully completing his term as chairman of SADC, describing his regional leadership as a source of national pride. Delegates further passed a strong resolution against the scourge of drug and substance abuse, paying tribute to the First Lady, Dr. Auxilia Mnangagwa, for her tireless work in awareness campaigns and the establishment of rehabilitation programs across Zimbabwe. Harare Metropolitan Province extends its heartfelt thanks to the First Lady of Zimbabwe for her sterling efforts in combating drug and substance abuse. We stand with her in saying no to this menace, CDE Masamayambwa said. With the October Zanu PF conference in Mutare approaching, the Harare province resolutions add to the growing calls within the ruling party for Mnangagwa to remain in power until 2030, with Parliament expected to be central in driving the controversial proposal forward.